that you must take.
You gotta have that mindset that quitting is not an option. Give up? Who, me? Never. Stop? Who, me? Never. That's for the next guy. That's for the next girl. But not me. Why? Because I don't quit. That ain't how I do it. That ain't how I roll. I never give up.
You must understand that there will come a time in your life that circumstances are going to challenge you.
Hey traders. Hope you are doing great. Trading is all about waiting for the right moment, and now we have one. The price is at a strong resistance level, and we see rejection from this area. This means sellers may take control, and the price could move down. If this level holds, we could see a strong drop. This is a high probability trade setup. Now, the important part, where to enter, stop loss, and take profit. These details are shared in our private group. If you prefer trading alone, that's okay. But understanding stop-loss placement and rejection candles is key to success. If you want accurate trades and expert guidance, contact us now on WhatsApp so I can add you to the group. Make your trading easier and smarter.